Hello everyone, my name is Glaucopedis and welcome to the JQuery course. JQuery is the most used JavaScript library in the world because it does operations that are very basic. We do things like searching for elements, changing element values, and adding classes. So things that are used whenever you are performing web development work that are not included by default in JavaScript. With jQuery, you can also perform rich interactions. Okay, you can perform click events. You can listen for whenever you change values in a form, in a drop-down menu. And we're also going to be able to work with data. Whenever you're working with jQuery and whenever you're working with web development in general, you need to keep in mind something called DOM. This is DOM, Document Object Model. It's kind of the base object whenever you're working with the web. So we have a DOM for this image, for this text here, okay, for this title, for this paragraph. So there are objects everywhere in the web page, and we need to be able to know how to manipulate all of these objects. There are some requirements to learn this course. Even though this is going to be a very light introduction, you need to know how to work with HTML, something very basic, very introductory. You also need to know how to work with CSS. JavaScript is essential because, well, we're going to work with JavaScript to be able to communicate with jQuery. And you also need to, at this point, two different pieces of software. You need to have Google Chrome installed, and you're also going to need a code editor. We're going to use an open source one, okay, a free one to use, which is Atom. And another very important link for you to have open at all times whenever you're developing with jQuery is api.jquery.com. So now that we have gone through this introductory lesson, we're now going to move to the next video where we're going to set up our entire environment and work with jQuery. See you soon.